Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. You are watching IWM YouTube channel and the channel for you that loves music. You want to know how it's done, whether it's songwriting or working with artists, mixing, music production. If that fits you, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Today we want to talk about a word that is, in my opinion, pretty misused. I don't use it often, but I like it in a sense of what it can bring to the recording. It's called swag. Are you ready? Let's hit it. Okay, so if you have watched my videos before, you know that I'm a big fan of many things, but mostly two things: deadlines and also having a clear vision of your project. And that can be pretty tricky to have a clear vision, but my experience is that the more clear you have your vision, the easier and faster you're gonna work through your project. So what I want you to try today is to get into the mood. Get into the mode, the swag before we enter the studio. How do you do that? Well, in my world, I just need to feel something before, you know? I need to be in a physical body type of situation where I just, this feels good, you know? And the more I feel that, the easier the process is going to be in the studio. So, speaking of the studio, let's hit it. Okay, as you can see here, I have a couple of tracks. And I'm going to try to make this very simple, very easy to understand. So, this is a piano. Some kind of Rhodes-ish type of thing. And this is drums. Ooh, we love drums, don't we? Okay, so I'm just gonna try to, before I record anything, be in my version of swaggy style. I don't know what swag is for you, but for me, it's just like, just feeling stuff beforehand, you know? This is pretty hard to talk about and to teach, but I'm gonna try. Okay, so we're gonna try this without the click. Okay, I hit some crazy notes in there as well, as you just heard, and I'm gonna see if I can find them. Let's see where they are. There they are. Okay. So also I'm gonna add. Okay, let's see if I can do this directly. Okay, so as you can see, I'm already in this physical type of motion, type of swag, whatever you want to call it. I don't even know exactly what the word swag means, but in my world, it's just, you know, something good's going on. Something good, that is. And also, I need to add a track. How about that? And let's use input number 6. Let's talk about swag. Oh, the feeling of the world. Swag. The feeling that I love. Ooh. Okay. So let's listen to this in all together. Let's talk about swag. Oh, the feeling of the world. Hey, to wrap this up, make sure you find your inner feeling, vision, swag before you put any hands on the instruments and or any vocals into the mics, because that will make the process so much easier and so much more fun and so much faster. So that's my suggestion and tip for you today. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to the channel. And if you have any suggestions about how do you find your inner feeling swag, please put it in the comments and let's discuss. I learn all the time and I want you to learn all the time as well. So until next time, let's swag a little bit, yeah?
Swag. Oh, a feeling of the world. Swag. A feeling that I love. Ooh.
Have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.